guess we're gonna do. I'm doing the. Oh my god. We're doing the cinnamon challenge and
I'm doing the cocoa challenge.
Alright, go ahead and dish me.
How much?
A spoonful. That's too much. Whatever.
That?
Die. Go ahead, die.
I don't want to die.
Maybe you might.
I don't know what to do. We don't have one I could just dip it in. How much?
I don't know. Enough to kill yourself, I guess.
I don't want to die right now.
Are you sure?
Things are getting good.
Yeah, okay.
Shut up.
Hey, I love you. I can't get it to go. Wait. There's another side. What if it just like all falls out at once?
I don't know how much to get.
A spoonful.
I don't want to die.
Well, maybe you might. Okay. Well,
Maybe you
it's
might.
spoonful. Just alright.
Less?
I don't want you to die. Oh well.
You want to flatten, like, flat across the top. Good enough.
Oh, mine's a little more than that, but oh well. I was gonna lick it off. Are you ready? Alright.
Go.
You're killing me, is that?
Like, I hope you know you have asthma. Well, that was gross.
Ew.
Did you? Are you gonna puke, Kinley? I mean, Patience couldn't even get it in her mouth.
I couldn't either. I didn't even do all of it.
Ugh, I can't breathe.
We have to do the other one now.
Other one what?
You're doing the cinnamon.
It's still in my mouth.
It's in my braces.
How much water Kinley
That
has?
burns.
Sort of success.
Mine is a fail.
Alright, and.
That was an epic.